Barbies and Kens. So today for you guys, I made the most incredible thing ever. I've been in craft mode for the last 2 weeks, just really focusing on making products and different odds and ends. That's why I kind of just been doing like reviews and things. So I'm really excited to show you my first half of everything that I have made. And this, if you guys remember my video, if you do not, I will link it down below. I made this fuzzy Pom Pom spread out bag. I added that little keychain, and a lot of you guys liked it as well. So I figured, why not make some bags to share with you guys and throw up on my sale page, which if you do not have that already, is in the description box down below, but it's called Little Sweet Sales on Instagram. If you're interested in a handbag, you could check it out over there, and everything is done through PayPal and payment within 24 hours. So let me show you what I made, because I'm like kind of really freaking excited right now. Oh my god. I'm like more nervous that like you guys aren't gonna like it, or you guys are really gonna like it and it's gonna be awesome. Like I just don't know, I'm nervous. But okay, so here is the first one. Super pretty. Lazy gal. Completely done in pom-poms, and then you open it up and it's the little change purse area. This is number 2. Love, love, love this bag so much, guys. I think it's so just like, it's soft. It's fun to feel. Let's begin there. I love like the textures on it. And the doll head, if you're wondering, is actually from a Barbie and the Rockers. And I don't know if she was like the drummer. I'm not sure who she was in the Rockers, but there she is. My eyes are so freaking watery today because the allergies are so bad. But then outside again, it's like snow. And then it's like wet and there's no snow and it's like moldy and gross, and I'm so sick of it. And for this bag, one of my favorite things about it is when you open up the zipper, a million little eyes are looking at you. So it has the same kind of like feel as the other one does. Just eyes or teeth or whatever you want to think they are inside of it. So the 2 bags I just showed you, I originally made for this video, and then this one I had the video up, it wasn't processing right, as I told you guys on my live stream, and I had to remake the video. So hi, here we are, and I made another bag. So I'm really happy today to show you guys finally how to make this bag. And if you're not interested in making the bag, but you are like madly in love, you can purchase this bag. Oh my god, this was like the most fun to make. But I have to say, if I can give you some tips right now, buy over the amount of pom-poms in the colors that you need, because you always think you have enough and you don't. I went back to the store, I want to say 3 times to get pom-poms, and it was a freaking mess. So I am just like, I'm in love with this bag. And the best part that I like about it is this side opens up so you can put your phone or whatever in it. There is another zippered pouch hidden right in here to put stuff. So if you're ready to learn how I made this pom-pom bunny bag, please keep watching. And if you're not already, please subscribe down below, share this video, and I will say that soon we will be having a giveaway, I think, with one of these bags filled with some goodies. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. So some basic things that you're going to need are pom-poms, any color of your choosing, a bag that you don't mind gluing pom-poms to, of course, I went to the first store, and a stuffed animal head or object that you want to center your bag around. So there's the bag, and my theme was purple. So I decided to go right in and glue my bunny head and just secure it on there. I took a little bit of stuffing out so it wouldn't be so full, but that's really depending how you feel. So there is my bunny head. Glue gun works good, or E6000. I use a glue gun. I think it's just way quicker. So here are my Pom Poms. I went through about 4 bags, I want to say. 3 of the set that had the pastel, and then some of the bigger ones, the pink ones, as you can see. So pretty much, you just want to sporadically put your Pom Poms everywhere, which is what I'm showing. And then I was running out of some. But once you have the Pom Poms the way you want them, this is how it's going to turn out. Pretty self-explanatory, gluing Pom Poms on a bag. But here it is. And then I also have my other bags that I made as well if you're interested in purchasing those. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.